Hi you guys, Happy New Year's. I hope that you had a really awesome Christmas. I just love the holidays. I am sharing with you my grocery haul for this week. My kids are still on winter break this week, so I got some extra things that I normally want to get. So I'll show you everything we got. I'll show you our meal plan that I have in my meal planning book. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing our weekly meal plans with you. So let's see everything that I got from my Walmart grocery pickup. Okay, so today's grocery pickup for this week, it's pretty big. I did definitely go over budget this week. I like to stay at $200, but I was at $242 this week. But I got a lot of stuff. And like I said, the kids are on break, so they're home and they just eat all day. So I got 3 packs of chicken, which actually was a goof. I meant to get 2 packs, but 3 is fine. I'll put 1 pack in the freezer and have that for next week. So chicken breast, we go through a lot of it with salads, sandwiches, just lots of chicken breasts. I got some other things, some soap and some aluminum foil. I love that I can get everything that I need at my one grocery pickup. I don't have to make multiple stops or go inside. So love that I can get our soap and foil and stuff like that. 2 big tri-tips. We're having some family over and my husband loves tri-tip and we just don't do it a lot. I like to do it more for a crowd than just for our family. So 2 big huge tri-tips and that will be wonderful. I got some frozen shrimp. Got some frozen shrimp, which I just love shrimp. I have some cocktail sauce left from last week. So gonna do a little shrimp cocktail this week. I've got an onion back there, my favorite Caesar dressing, and some croutons. I got some lettuce as well over here on the other side. These vanilla yogurt covered raisins, they are a huge hit with my kids. And like I said, lots of kids snacks this week. I got some rice-a-roni back here. It's the beef rice-a-roni we will have with the tri-tips. Some green tea, love green tea. We don't drink coffee, my husband and I, but we drink green tea, and I love this. This is, it's frozen sausage, and this is the Vermont maple flavoring, super good. It's a big bag. It lasts us a little bit, but my kids really love it for breakfast. I got a ton of apples. They did not have apples last week, so we ran out. So I got a lot. It's actually 2 bags full. I think it's 14 apples. So lots and lots of apples. I get pink lady apples. They're our favorite. Lots of bananas, lots of fruit, blueberries and strawberries. I got some turkey breasts. This is my kids' favorite. They will have it all day, every day, as long as they live, but I just can't let them have it that often. But it's macaroni and cheese spirals, just the Walmart brand, and they love it. And it's 56 cents a box. That's really crazy. So I got 2 boxes of that for them to have this week. Some diced green chilies, some corn, another thing of corn. I'm going to do a couple different soups this week. It is cold and wet out, so I am going to be doing 2 different soups, and I'll share that with you in the meal plan. Some grated Parmesan, some salami. This peach water, it's like sparkling water, like carbonated sparkling water. It's got so much flavor, but I really like this peach one. There's a lot of flavors, and I think peach is my favorite. Milk, almond milk, carrots, some bell peppers, some celery. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a vegetable soup. I'm going to be doing asparagus one night as well. Zucchini for dinners. We do a lot of avocados. So I have 5 avocados for the week. Some lettuce for salads. I'm going to do green beans the night that we do the tri-tip. I'm going to do broccoli one night this week. We do a lot of broccoli. This here is a spinach artichoke cheese dip, and it's frozen, and you just heat it up. You heat and serve. So this I have never gotten, and I'm very excited to try it. So that will be super fun. Lots of tortillas. These are the ones my husband likes. They are the Carb Balance whole wheat, 3 carbs per tortilla. These are the ones my kids like for their quesadillas. This is a big pack. We were totally out. Sandwich thins for my husband's lunches. Some snacks. These peanut butter crackers, my kids really, really like these. And they're just convenient, grab, kind of on the go type thing. 2 different puddings. I got a vanilla pudding last week. I goofed up and I didn't get the sugar-free, which I always get sugar-free. So I goofed and got regular vanilla. So I got some sugar-free vanilla, sugar-free chocolate. This stuff is super good. This honeycomb cereal, it's the biggest box ever. It's the only size they had, but it's just a treat for winter break. My kids really like it. One of my kids requested it, so I thought, let's get it since we're on break. Some vegetable oil, because I've been doing lots of cookie baking. This is my husband's favorite yogurt. This Too Good. It's 2 grams of sugar per serving, and it is just hands down his favorite. We've tried other ones that are low in sugar, but this is just his favorite. Some heavy whipping cream for the soup I'm doing, some sour cream, and some cottage cheese. So these are all of the groceries. It is a big haul for this week. So let me show you my meal planning book and everything I have written down here. So, like I said, we're going to be doing some soup this week because it is cold and wet. So I'm going to do a crock pot veggie soup. We're going to do tacos with guacamole and chips. My kids are obsessed with guacamole right now. They will literally eat it every day. Wednesday, we're going to do barbecue chicken and tri-tip. We're going to do crock pot chicken corn chowder. We're going to do spaghetti and meatballs on Friday. Chicken apple sausage, which my kids have been really into lately. We're going to do that on Saturday. And then chicken teriyaki rice bowls on Sunday. So that is the meal plan for the week and all of the groceries. I hope this grocery haul gave you some motivation to do some meal planning for yourself and your family. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.